What's up everyone, it's your boy Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to use the measurement app on your iPhone to take measurements virtually in case you don't have a measurement tape or in case you're out and about and want to measure something but you just don't have a measurement tape on you right now. And let's get started. You want to go into your Measure app, and if you don't have it right here, because it comes pre-installed on every iPhone, you just swipe down and you type Measure and you'll have it right there and you click it. Once you get into the Measure app, it's going to ask you to move your iPhone around so it gets its orientation. Once it gets the orientation and the lay of the land, it uses the LiDAR camera and the LiDAR sensors on the back of the iPhone. So here, I'm going to move to my screen capture. And so let's say you want to know about the length. You press the plus symbol. And then you center that dot on the target. So we know that the iPhone is, the MacBook is approximately 10 inches. But let's double check that, shall we? I'm going to move it a little bit closer. I'm going to press the plus symbol. And then I'm going to press the plus. It is 10. See? It's a little bit wonky in low light, so you really need good lighting. Because you saw, I pressed it over here in this left corner, but it started there. So let's do it one more time. The lighting's not really good. So I'm actually going to try and turn on. Okay, so flashlight doesn't work either. So this was working in bright light before, but because it's dark in this hallway, it's not as good. Because in the light, it got it as 11.5 inches. And then from here, the dots connect. So you see it's 8.5. It's 8 by 11.5. I just want to point out real quick that according to B&H Photo, basically 12 inch by 9 inch or 12 inch by 8.5 inch. So the measurement app itself in low lighting is not accurate as much as I wish it would be. So just wanted to point that out so you can keep that in mind when using it in low light. Try to have as much light as possible so the camera can do its job to the best of its ability. So it's slightly the opposite of computer paper, where the computer paper is 11 by 8.5. So they basically made the MacBook about the MacBook Air about the size of a sheet of computer paper. And if you press in the middle here, you'll be able to copy that measurement. And it also auto-converts right there to 29 centimeters. Now, let's check about the size of the door. So right here, the door. Let's see what we get. Six foot 6 inches. Let's see what the width of the door is. 28 inches, but let's say you click on 28 inches. It's 2 feet 4 inches wide, or 71 centimeters. So it's interesting that the door is basically 6'6" and then 2'6". I'm just rounding up, but make sure you get good proper lighting and stuff as well. And what's cool is that because of spatial awareness, you can basically move and it's still there. So it's locked into place and time to where you have it. So you could look away and come back. So it's like if I wanted to do randomly the diagonal from that dot to that dot, but actually let's get the better corner here. There you go. It's 6'10" diagonal, which makes me wonder if the Pythagorean theorem would work here. But as you can see, we didn't get that corner completely, so let's try to get this corner completely right here. Dot all the way up to that dot. Let's see if, so it's 6'7", whereas you saw over there it's 6'6". There are some limitations on this. You saw how it basically disappeared. Where's my top and where's my bottom? It's not there anymore. Why did it only go there? So there are some limitations here, but that's the rough and easy. Like let's say you forget your measurement tape, so you have a rough idea of approximately what to do, and the past measurements are in there too. So let's just say you meant to cut a shelf or something, but you went to Home Depot and you forgot your measurement tape and you forgot to, but you have this, so you can either take a screenshot or record. It also works as a level, so you know exactly how level things are, but that's for a different video. If you got value from this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Apple related tips. I only ever do Apple related content. So if you love Apple, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace.